Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through setting up and using text calculations in Seamcor. Let's get started. Why use text calculations in Seamcor? Text calculations can automate data entry, ensure consistency, and can be used to generate batch numbers, display names, and tracking IDs for better traceability and workflow efficiency. We'll explore examples across different entities. Let's start by setting up and using a text calculation in the customer's entity. First, click on Setup to get started. Add a text check to one of your created groups, then configure its value as a calculation. You can pull values from three sources: sibling, predefined, and task item. Here is an explanation of each. As shown, Seamcor provides various options to set up, transform, and manipulate text calculations to fit your needs. Here's a breakdown of each option. Start by picking your first value. You can add as many as you need. When you add another, choose how and where it should be placed in the calculation. In this example, we used append to add the next value to the end of the previous value. As you can see, the customer ID is generated when you enter values in the customer code and registration date columns based on our text calculation setup. Let's set up another example using a text calculation in the sales invoice entity. In this example, we will be creating an invoice number with predefined values, the invoice date, and a unique invoice sequential number we have created. Here is the sequential queue that we created for the invoice number. Remember, to use sequential numbers in a text calculation, first add them as a numeric value column in the data table, then include them as a sibling value in the calculation. For more information on sequential queues, please watch our other videos. As you can see, the invoice number is created using the populated invoice date and the automated sequential number according to the text calculation we set up. You can also use text calculations for batch numbers. Let's set one up in the finished product batches entity. In this example, we used the linked production run number, a predefined value, and a sequential queue for the batch number increments. Here, you can see where each piece of information is pulled from to create the finished product batch number. And there you have it. You have successfully set up text calculations in Seamcor. Thank you for watching. Should you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and contact us.